Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create mega menu in Elementor WordPress without using any plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin and this is our header. So we are going to add or create mega menu. Now go to Elementor header. So this is our header and first we are going to enable setting in Elementor. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see settings, so click on it. So we are going to enable menu setting. So after that we are going to create mega menu without using any plugin. Now Elementor setting open and then you see multiple tab and then you see feature tab, so click on it and then scroll down, you see multiple option and then you see menu. By default inactive. Now drop down select and then click on active and then click on save changes, so click on it. So after that our new menu widget is enabled. Now setting saved. First go to Elementor header. First check menu. You don't see any menu widget. Now refresh the page and then on search widget write here menu and then you see new menu widget enable. Now you see menu, so drag and drop here in header. Now you see widget added and then you see menu name, so you can create menu manually. Now expand it, item 1, so you can add home and then you can add your link. So we added title and link and then you see icon. If you want you can add. Now you see item 2, so click on it. Now add title here about and then you see drop down content, enable this option. So we are going to create mega menu for about section and then you see content width, full width, item layout, horizontal, item position, so you can set and so you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see alignment and then you see drop down effect, fade in and then you see menu toggle, normal, hover, active. So you can do color scheme and setting for this menu widget according to requirement and then go to style, so click on it and then you see menu and then you see menu item, space between item, distance from content and then you see color. Now make it white. Now you see, so you can do color scheme according to requirement. Now go to mobile layout first to check and then you see menu widget. Now go to menu toggle, so click on it and then you see color. Now make it white. Now you see, go to content again, so click on it and then you see menu toggle, so click on it. Now end, so you can do setting and alignment according to requirement. Again go to desktop and now we are going to create mega menu. Now close this. Now you see about, so click on it and then you see drag widget here. So when we click on about, you see this section. Now click on drag widget and then you see select your structure. Now select this, so you can select layout according to requirement. So this section open. When we click on this section about, now close, again click on it and then you see again you see this section, so you can add widget according to requirement. Now click on plus icon again. Now you see site logo, so drag and drop here. Now you see site logo added, so you can add any widget in any column according to requirement. Again click on plus icon. So we are going to add some button. Now you see button added in mega menu for about. If you want to set background, now you see main, edit container, main, so click on it and then you see style, so click on it and then you see background type, again click on it. Now you see background color change and then click on publish, so you can set styling and you can add widget in mega menu according to requirement. Now publish done. If you want you can delete this, so it's up to you. So you can delete this menu, so it's up to you. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see we have two menu, so this is our old menu and this is our new menu. So when we hover on about, now you see mega menu. Now you see color, background color, you see logo, button. When we select home, hover on home, you don't see mega menu. Now you see mega menu on about. So we enable this widget by using Elementor setting. Again you see, so you can add any widget in mega menu for about. So you can delete this menu, it's up to you. So we are using this menu now. So when we hover on about, now you see logo, button, So you can add any widget. Now go to Elementor header again. Now select menu again. Now you see about. We enable drop down content. And when we click on it, then we see this section. Now go to home. Now you see enable drop down. So we enable this option. Now you see arrow. Now we click on home. Again you see section. So you can set edit container styling. And then you can add widget here. So you can add column structure. So it's up to you. Enable this option. And then press on it. And then you see this section. And then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.